A warm greeting to all the viewers. So, today's topic is about the history of Uttar Pradesh. History has always been the most deepest and curious part of our lives. So, let's begin with the introduction of UP. The history of UP, the northern Indian state, stretches back to its formation on 1st April 1937 as the northwestern provinces of Agra Awadh, but the region itself shows the presence of human habitations dating back between 85,000 and 73,000 years ago. The region seems to have been domesticated. Now, let me tell you the meaning of domesticated. It means to be controlled by any kind of human beings. So, the region was domesticated as early as 6000 BC. BC means before Christ. Let's go further. The early modern period in the region stated in 1526 after Babur invaded the Delhi and established the Mughal Empire. Now, many of us maybe not knowing what was the Mughal Empire. We just knew that Mughals were ruling over the country, but let's know what is a Mughal Emperor. Mughal Empire was an early modern empire that controlled much of South Asia between the 16th and 19th century. Moving ahead further, covering the large parts of the modern Uttar Pradesh. The remnants. The remnants means the things which were left behind. We can say remnants can be referred to remaining of some things, some piece. Okay, so the remnants of the Mughal Empire included their mementos like Fatehpur Sikri, Allahabad Fort, Agra Fort, and Taj Mahal. These are some kinds of the remaining of Mughal Empire which still exist in Uttar Pradesh. So let's move more further. The region was the site of Indian rebellion of 1857, which revolves at Meerut, Kanpur, and Lucknow. The region was also a site for the Indian independence movement with the Indian National Congress. Now, what is the meaning of site? Site means a kind of place where someone can reside or where someone goes to see. Another interesting fact is that in 2000, the state Uttarakhand was called out from UP. Now, what I've been saying by called out from UP means Uttarakhand got separated from UP in the year of 2000. Moving ahead further, the archaeological finds have indicated the presence of Stone Age Homo sapiens. We all have heard about the Stone Age men in our history. So yes, the archaeologicals have found many things which was related to the Stone Age Homo sapiens in Uttar Pradesh between 85 and 73,000 years old. And so then the agriculture began in the early 6000 BC, that is the before Christ, leading to the Indus Valley civilization and Harappa culture, to the Vedic period and then to the Iron Age. And this is how the civilization began in Uttar Pradesh, how the things evolved and became extremely new. So this is all for today about Uttar Pradesh. I had got the message of someone who said to make an history of Uttar Pradesh. So these are some of the highlights of the state. So if you like it and if you want to know more about some other state, you can just write down in the comment section below. Thanks a lot.